Kids.ai tutorial. Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me show you how to create an AI generated music covers using Kids.ai. Watch until the end so you don't miss any step. First, go to Kids.ai and click Get Started for free. Sign up using Google or another methods. Choose Music Production. Select Create AI Covers and continue through the prompts. You can start for free by selecting the basic plan. To begin, you'll need to add the voice you want to use. Just search for a vocal only track without background music. Upload the voice to Kits.ai. If you're using a pre existing voice from the platform, just select this one. Next, upload the song you want to convert. Kits AI will replace the original voice with the selected AI voice. Click Convert, and the song will be transformed. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.